Oh, hey there. We see you working hard day in and day out. So we decided to make things easier for you. Let's get you from here to here. Introducing a quicker, easier, and more efficient way to pay. FunPay. FunPay is our brand new booking system, redesigned to make your trip go as seamless as possible. With FunPay, you can choose whether to pay in full or make a deposit. Best part is, you get to choose any amount that works best for you. Once you see your correct item in the cart, click the Proceed to Checkout button. Checkout is where you fill out all your personal information. By now, your travel coordinator should have given you their booking ID. If you haven't received one yet, please contact our offices to receive one. Checkout is also where you upload a copy of your passport, so be sure to have that handy. Once everything is accurately filled out, you will receive your order details via email. From here, you can make payments on your own schedule, manage payment activity from multiple clients, and get organized without having to contact your tour coordinator. And that's it. Like I said, quick, easy, efficient. Let's get you out there.